good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm doing a touch pour, a little different touch pour, checking here the level of my canvas. It's going to be a touch pour with all blues and gold. So here I am, just laying the base paint, which is white. I'm using titanium white of Camel. I'm going to flood only half of it, or a little bit more than half of the canvas with white, and leave the rest of it just blank. Getting rid of some gunk that I see in the paint. I'm going to speed you up while I adjust the sides of the canvas with the base paint. Okay, so I'm done with the base. Now I'm here putting up the colors. So my first color for today is Turquoise Blue by Liquitex Basics. This is a little fun pour for me, kind of different, trying a different pour, enjoying it at the same time. Next color here is Phthalo Blue by Phthalo Turquoise by Golden Fluid Acrylics. You can see how much I am in love with this color. Okay, next color is Gold, Iridescent Gold by Pebeo. I'm going to add a little bit of Iridescent White by Liquitex Basics here. Just a little bit. Okay, my next color will be Prussian Blue, again by Liquitex Basics. Again, I'm going to use very little of Prussian Blue because it's pretty dark. So just for a little contrast there. And adding a little bit of turquoise again. And lastly, I'm going to add some 24 karat gold by DecoArt. This is the Extreme Sheen DecoArt 24 karat gold. Okay, quickly going to torch the paint to get rid of any air bubbles there. Alright, that's it. And let's begin with the blowing part of it, the fun part. Alright, so thinking, how should I go here? It's going to be a very random one, I haven't really thought and planned much for this one, just playing with the colors here. So yeah, let's go for it. Okay. I'm going to blow a little bit of white over it. Wow, you can see those lovely cells already forming up on that. Oh, that's amazing. And yeah, I'm just playing with it, messing it, and enjoying the process. Alright. That looks great, but let me get rid of some excess paint from there. Okay. Going to blow out a little. You have to be very careful when you're blowing out the paint with your mouth. Don't go too harsh on it, just very gentle blows. I need to add some white space there. Okay, yeah, this is it for me, guys. I love it. I'm amazed to see how this piece has come out so simple and so easy, isn't it, guys? Great. If you like this video, please do hit like and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will bring in more and more fun videos for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.